Today, you will learn how to check word count on Word document file. First, look at the bottom left corner of your Word window. Normally, Word shows the live word count there as you type. If you don't see it, don't worry. Right-click the status bar at the bottom of the window and make sure Word Count has a check mark next to it. If it doesn't, just click Word Count to enable it, and the word count will appear instantly. If you want more details, go to the Review tab and click Word Count. A window will open showing the total number of words, pages, characters, paragraphs, and lines in your document. You can also add a word count directly inside your document. Place your cursor where you want the count to appear, go to the Insert tab, click Quick Parts, choose Field, select NumWords, and click OK. This inserts the current word count into your document. Keep in mind that this field doesn't automatically update. Whenever you make changes, simply right-click the number and choose Update Field to refresh it. That's it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.